To enable or disable Hey Google feature on Motorola Edge 50 Neo, first we'll need to launch our settings. Then we can search for a specific Google Assistant settings. Click on Assistant settings right here, then go for Hey Google and voice match. Now we can enable or disable Hey Google. And if you do it for the first time and you enable it, you will need to perform the setup. So it goes like this. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain a rainbow is formed. Formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then we can click on next. Not now. And our Hey Google is activated. We can disable it like this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.